Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It is that time of the day when our body is in need of energy. So breakfast should be heavy and balanced. However, in today's fast-paced life, most of us are either not having breakfast properly or eating the same thing again and again. But not anymore. While selecting the breakfast options for this video, my top priority has been least time required for cooking to serve variety of tastes and of course practicality. So if you too are tired of eating paratha, idli and dosa daily, then keep watching this video as I will share with you 7 healthy breakfast options which can be cooked in less than 5 minutes using minimum ingredients without compromising on taste. Stay tuned. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. For this video, I have consciously not included the regular breakfast options like the paratha, idli, dosa, pesarettu, eggs to bring something new and creative to your breakfast table. Starting with number 7 on the list is besan ka chila. Looking for a break from your regular dosa or want a vegetarian version of omelette? Try besan ka chila. This quick and healthy option is high in complex carbohydrates and protein, much needed in breakfast. To make besan ka chila, put 1 cup of besan in a bowl. With help of little water, make a batter. Now add onions, tomatoes, rock salt, turmeric powder, ginger paste and coriander leaves. This is the time you can customize it by adding your favorite spices and vegetables. Mix all the ingredients properly. The next step is to heat a pan. Once hot, put the flame to low. Add a little bit of mustard oil. Pour in 1 to 2 spoonsful of batter and spread it out like how you would do an omelette. Let it cook until it's golden in color and you start seeing bubbles on the top. Slowly flip it and cook the other side. Remove it from the pan and serve it with curd or your favorite chutney. Not only it is super healthy but is extremely tasty and filling. No one can eat just one. Try it out. Number 6 is tamarind rice. Tamarind rice is commonly known as pulihora. One of my personal favorite dishes, tamarind rice is tangy, tasty and healthy. Let's check out its quick recipe. Take half cup of brown rice and keep it for boiling. Now place a pan on medium heat and put ghee into it. Once hot, add the mustard seeds. Now add curry leaves, peanuts, turmeric, rock salt and hing. Now take some tamarind and boil it in water. Strain this tamarind water and add it into the pan. Cook till it thickens and becomes a paste-like consistency. Finally add the boiled rice and give it a good mix. That's all, your tamarind rice is ready to be served. Well balanced with complex carbohydrates from brown rice, protein and healthy fats from peanuts, it is a light yet filling breakfast option. The next option is extremely simple and easy. Just 3 easily available ingredients, hardly any cooking involved. It is ideal for hostelers and for people who are looking to have healthy and balanced breakfast on the go. All you need is 4 to 5 soaked almonds, 1 to 2 bananas and 1 glass of warm milk. Believe me, the combination of almonds, banana and milk is so filling and nourishing for the body that you won't ask for a thing at least for a few hours. Make sure not to quickly gulp it down your throat. Eat it slowly, mindfully. Number 4 is sweet rice. This is my current favorite breakfast option. And if you have a sweet tooth, you too will love it. I make it when I'm getting late for work because literally it is so easy that it hardly requires any skill. Just take half cup of brown rice and let it boil. Once rice is boiled, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cow ghee and 2 to 3 tablespoons of jaggery powder. Mix well. Finally garnish it with 4 to 5 almonds. So easy, isn't it? It is actually so tasty and divine that it feels like having prasad at a temple. I just love it. Surely worth a try. Number 3 is curd rice. Now if you are facing any digestion related issues, I highly recommend you to have this delicious curd rice recipe first thing in the morning. We'll talk about its benefits later. Let's check out its quick recipe. Take half cup of rice. Boil the rice and keep them aside. Next, in a pan, put some mustard oil on a low flame. Add a few mustard seeds and cumin seeds and let them crackle. Now add curry leaves, a pinch of asafoetida and rock salt for taste. Saute the mixture for a while. Coming back to the boiled rice which are now warm, add curd and freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Also add the tadka and mix again. This recipe is not just easy and tasty but has numerous health benefits. The probiotic bacteria present in curd when consumed first thing in the morning cleanses the intestines. So try having this curd rice regularly for just 10 days and you will see all your digestive problems disappearing. Number 2 is ragi malt. Are you someone who prefers drinking over eating for breakfast? If yes, then you should definitely try ragi malt. Made from the wonder grain ragi and probiotic curd, it is an authentic Indian smoothie recipe. Mix 3 to 4 teaspoons of ragi flour with a little bit of water, enough to make a paste. Boil 1 cup of water, add salt, add the ragi paste and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once this cools down, add yogurt. Gluten-free, rich in fiber, calcium, amino acids, minerals and vitamin D, ragi malt is a perfect breakfast for Weight Watchers. Do try it. The number 1 breakfast option is again one of my current favorites, the cashew upma. A well-cooked upma can really beat a pasta. Let's check out the recipe. Put a pan on flame. Once it gets hot, add cow ghee. Put some cumin seeds and let them splutter, and ginger. Now put some chopped onions. Now add turmeric powder, rock salt, chopped tomatoes and gently saute them. Add a few cashews and thoroughly mix them. Put a little water. Now add half cup of broken wheat or upma into it. Mix all the ingredients properly. That's all, cashew upma is now ready. Enjoy it. Well balanced with complex carbohydrates, proteins and healthy fats, cashew upma is again an ideal breakfast option. So these were some of the quick, healthy and practical breakfast options that I felt you should try. Which one of these breakfast options did you like the most? Comment below. I hope after watching this video you will not miss out on a healthy breakfast. I want to thank Early Foods for partnering with us for this video. Early Foods is India's 100% organic children food company. They have a wide variety of foods and snacks made from ancient grains using jaggery and other high quality ingredients. Have you tried their porridges? Made from farmer-friendly millets, much healthier than regular rice, wheat or oats, Early Foods porridges are worth a try. They come in 2 categories. One is the instant porridges while the other needs to be cooked a little. Unlike other cereals in the market, Early Foods porridges have no added sugar, no salt, no milk powder and absolutely no preservatives or artificial flavors or colors. So you can serve them to your kids without any worry. You have my word for it. And if you wish to sweeten them, Early Foods also presents to you dry dates powder. It is much finer than other dates powder in the market. Even though they specialize in children foods, it can be consumed by anybody. To buy Early Food products, click on the link down in the description box. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If yes, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. What next would you like to see on this channel? Do comment below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.